Rats, usually thought of as nasty little critters living in the city alleys, sewers, or wherever else they can manage to survive. But would you believe that they're actually not dirty animals? Sure, they produce up to 50 droppings of poop per day, so their environment may be dirty, but they themselves are very clean. Think, if we could train them to sweep like the raccoon, then their environment would be clean just like them. It sounds a bit strange to say clean like a rat, but it's true. In fact, they're so clean that it's now thought that the Great Plague of 1665 was spread by humans, lice, and fleas, not rats. Rats are constantly grooming themselves and each other even more than cats. They can make some pretty cool pets too. Watch this one play basketball. Score! It made the shot. This one's like a cat chasing a string, except it's a finger. It brought her a tissue. How sweet. Is that rat reading, or did he just learn the pattern? Either way, impressive. Now that's cool. Look at him go. Apparently, they can break into your wallet too. In addition to making pretty cool pets, they actually help society. They've even been given awards for it. Magawa, the rat, was awarded a gold medal for being a hero. He was able to sniff out over 100 landmines and other explosives in Cambodia, alerting humans so that they could be removed rather than explode. That's not the only thing that rats have been trained to sniff out though. They've also been trained to sniff out pangolin scales as a way to catch poachers, as well as sniff out the disease TB. African giant pouched rats have an excellent sense of smell, so they're able to sniff out TB. Each rat tests hundreds of samples a day. If they smell a sample with TB, they are trained to pause. If they don't smell the TB, they are trained to not pause. These rats are more successful in testing for this disease than one scanning is. Pretty amazing, right? Well, wait until you hear this next one. There is a rat temple in India, and you're not allowed to wear shoes in the temple, since your shoes could harm one of the 15,000 rats in the temple. It is believed that the rats are humans from the Charan clan, reincarnated as rats, which is why many people worship, feed, and drink with these rats. Rats even can scurry across your plate while you're eating, and if you try to stop them, you will anger the goddess Kardimana. Kardimana made a deal with the god of death. She attempted to reincarnate the son of a storyteller, only to be told that he had already been reincarnated as a rat. This led to a deal that anyone within the goddess's clan that died would be reincarnated as a rat, and when the rat died, reincarnated back into a human. Alrighty, just a few more things that I would like to share. 1. Rats have belly buttons. 2. Just like a deer, male rats are called bucks and females are called does, but a group are called mischiefs. And 3, the word rats, spelled backwards, is stars. Oh, and if scientists were to judge intelligence based on a species' brain size in comparison to their body size ratio, rats would be considered more intelligent than humans.